Once you have installed and started Flow Director, connect to localhost 8080 and click Start. Then select System App. Username is admin, password is change me. Toggle this button and click Login. Click on the New App tile and choose the first option, Create New App. Give it a name, My First App, a title, My First App, and choose an icon. Then hit Create. The app is now being created and appears here. If you click on the app tile, you have the option to edit the title and the icon. You cannot change the name. You can export it, and of course you can delete it. There are several other options to install an app. You can import an exported app by just dropping it into this field. Two modes, to replace or to merge. You can clone an app from a GitHub repository, and you can install it from an app library. There's one app library, Flow Director, per default available with all apps from Flow Director. Let's install these two. These are free apps, and you see it's being installed. Okay, these apps have been installed, and you have now 3 apps installed in Flow Director. Log out from System App and go to the login screen, and you see the 3 apps. All have a preset user admin, password change me. Your first app appears as you see it. The first 2 are for automation. The third button is to link your app to a Git repository. Here you have the app log, help. Here you can change password and export the app by simply clicking on it, and this is the logout button. On the left side you have the app menu with the app configuration, authentication, the dashboard orchestration, the flow orchestration, and the web API. All of these are explained in separate video clips. Log out from your app and log in to System App, password admin, change me, and then delete the apps. Thank you for watching.